Find the rank of below matrix by using normal form. Given matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 6, 7, 5. So 3 rows ఉన్నాయి and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns ఉన్నాయి. So this matrix is a 3 by 4th matrix. So to find the rank of the given matrix by using normal form, we have to convert into in 0, 0, 0. We have to convert into identity matrix form. Okay, so to convert this identity matrix form, we can use both row and column operations. Okay, both row and column operations can be used to convert given matrix into this form. Okay, so first we have to check whether the first digit is 1 or not. It's 1, so no need to do any operations as of now on the row 1. So what we have to do, convert this into 0, this into 0 by using first row. So r2 tends to r2 minus r1, r3 tends to r3 minus this is to r1. By using first row, I'll make this as 0 and this as 0. So first row remains unchanged. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 6 minus 2 into 2, 4. 6 minus 4, 2. 7 minus 2 into 3, 6. 7 minus 6, how much? 1. 5 minus 2 minus 2, 4. 5 minus 4, how much? 1. Okay, 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4, 1. Now what I'll do, R2 tends to R2 interchange R3. So 1 2 3 2, 0 2 1 1, 0 0 0 2. Okay, now what I'm going to do, so first I'll do this minus this. I'll operate C2. C2 tends to C2 minus C1. Okay, whereas C3 tends to C3 minus 3C1. I'll make this as zeros. And C4 tends to C4 minus 2C1. C1 remains unchanged. C2 tends to C2 minus C1. 2C1. Okay, I'll make this as 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 2 minus 0, 2. 0 minus 0, 0. C3 tends to C3 minus 3C1. 3 minus 3, 0. 1 minus 0, 1. 0 minus 0, 0. And 2 minus C4 tends to C4 minus 2C1. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 0, 1. 2 minus 0, 2. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'll make this as 0 first. Either this or this. I'll make this as 0. Okay. C3 tends to C3 minus 2C2. Okay. So what is the remaining? 1 0 0 0 2 0 0 minus 1 minus 2 2C3 minus C2. Okay, what? 2 minus 2, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 1 2. So now what I am going to do is, I'll interchange this. C3 tends to C3 C4. Okay, 1 0 0 0 2 0 0 1 2 and 0 0 0. Okay, now what I am going to do is, I'll make this as 0. Okay, so C3 tends to C3 minus 2C3 minus C2 again. So 1 0 0 0 2 0 0 minus 0 0 2 ones are 2 minus 2, 0. 2 minus 0, 2. Now, what is the common? R3 tends to R3 by 2, R2 tends to R2 by 2. So, the remaining is how much? 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. This C4 is common. Okay, I forgot to write here. Okay, 0, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 1. So what is the identity matrix here? 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is the identity matrix. So order 3 by 3. So this is I3. So In, where n is equal to 3, rank of the matrix equal to n, that is equal to 3. Our rank of the given matrix is R of A is equal to 3. Okay, hope you got it. If you have any queries, do let me know in the comments. Signing off, Rajesh Balaka.